Right now, people are making money online using AI websites that barely existed a few years ago. Some are creating videos without cameras. Others are selling designs without being designers. And some are literally building online businesses using AI tools in their bedroom. The craziest part? Most people still have no idea these websites exist. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 AI websites that can actually help you make money online, even if you're a complete beginner. And no, you don't need to know coding. You just need the right tools. Let's get into it. First up is ChatGPT. This is probably the most powerful AI tool for beginners trying to make money online. Why? Because ChatGPT can help you start almost any online side hustle faster. You can use it to write scripts, create blog posts, generate business ideas, write emails, create social media content, offer freelance services, build digital products. People are already using ChatGPT to make money through freelancing, copywriting, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, Etsy stores, online businesses. And here's the important part: ChatGPT doesn't replace effort. It multiplies speed. Instead of spending 5 hours writing content, you can create drafts in minutes and focus on improving them. That's why AI creators are scaling faster than ever right now. Next is Canva AI. This tool is an absolute goldmine for creators and freelancers. Canva lets you create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, TikTok graphics, logos, presentations, digital products, printable designs, and now with AI features, it's even easier. You can literally type an idea, and Canva generates designs automatically. People are making money with Canva by selling templates, social media design, ebooks, digital planners, thumbnail services. Some creators are even running entire design businesses using just Canva and AI. And the best part? You don't need professional design skills anymore. Now let's talk about one of the biggest opportunities right now, Pictory. This website helps turn scripts into videos automatically. And this is huge because faceless YouTube channels are exploding. With Pictory, you can create videos using AI visuals, stock footage, subtitles, voiceovers, music without filming yourself. People are building channels around motivation, finance, AI news, facts, business, tech, and many of these channels are getting millions of views. Some creators are monetizing through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships. AI video creation is one of the fastest growing online business models right now. And tools like Pictory make it easier than ever for beginners to start. Next is Fiverr combined with AI tools. Now technically Fiverr itself isn't AI, but AI tools are completely changing how people make money on platforms like Fiverr. For example, people are using AI to offer services like script writing, thumbnail design, AI voiceovers, social media content, resume writing, video editing. And because AI speeds up the workflow, you can complete jobs faster and potentially scale your income. This is one of the easiest ways beginners start making money online because you don't need a huge audience first. You just need a useful service. And AI helps you deliver that service faster. Next up is 11 Labs. This website creates ultra-realistic AI voices. And honestly, the quality is insane. You can use it for YouTube voiceovers, audiobooks, ads, podcasts, storytelling videos. A lot of faceless YouTube channels now use AI voiceovers instead of recording their own voice. And businesses are also paying for voiceover content more than ever. This means creators can use tools like 11 Labs to start voiceover services, YouTube channels, content agencies, and because the AI sounds so realistic, the barrier to entry is lower than ever. Now let's talk about Midjourney and AI image generators. This is where things start feeling futuristic. AI image tools can create logos, art, character designs, product mockups, book covers, social media graphics just from text prompts. And yes, people are making money with this. Some are selling print-on-demand products, AI artwork, digital wallpapers, thumbnail packs, Etsy downloads. Others are using AI-generated visuals for YouTube channels and social media businesses. The important thing is understanding this. AI is becoming a creative assistant. The people who learn how to use these tools creatively will have a massive advantage. Next is Notion AI. Most people think Notion is just a productivity app. But smart creators are using it to organize entire online businesses. You can manage content, calendars, business ideas, client systems, affiliate links, scripts, daily workflows, and with AI features, Notion can also help generate summaries, brainstorm ideas, and organize information faster. This matters because online success usually comes down to consistency. And staying organized is a huge part of consistency. A lot of creators fail not because they lack talent, but because they lack systems. AI tools help simplify those systems. Now here's the truth most people don't realize. AI itself is not the money. The real opportunity is using AI to solve problems faster. That's how money is made online. Businesses pay for attention, content marketing, design, efficiency, automation, and AI tools help regular people do those things better and faster. That's why this shift is so important. We're entering a time where one person with AI tools can do the work of an entire small team. And the people learning these tools early are gaining a massive advantage. So if you want to start making money with AI, here's what I recommend: pick one skill. Then combine it with AI. For example, writing plus AI, design plus AI, video editing plus AI, YouTube plus AI, freelancing plus AI. Don't try to master everything at once. Focus on one lane first. Because the biggest mistake beginners make is jumping between too many ideas without committing to one. And remember, you do not need to be an expert to start. Most successful creators and entrepreneurs learned by experimenting. The important thing is starting early while these opportunities are still growing fast. Because AI is changing the internet right now. And the people adapting early will benefit the most. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI tools, online income ideas, YouTube automation tips, AI side hustles, passive income strategies, make sure to subscribe to AI Income Lab. And comment below which AI website you want to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.